My name is Brandon Tatum, and I'm a California Associate Marriage and Family Therapist here at EmotionFit. I'm registered with the Board of Behavioral Sciences, and I'm a member of the California Association of Marriage and Family Therapists. I enjoy working with clients of all ages, from teens to young adults and the elderly, and I offer both online and in-person appointments. I recently earned my master's degree in counseling psychology and working towards accumulating my hours for licensure. And I'm excited that I've recently begun my formal training in intensive short-term dynamic psychotherapy, or ISTDP. I specialize in working with clients struggling with relationship issues, anxiety, depression, and religious or faith themes. When working with clients, I offer them a space to land and work on their goals, confront whatever it is that's holding them back as we privilege their present emotions and support them as they journey toward a more healthy and fulfilling life. If you want to learn more or you're interested in a first session with me, schedule a free 15-minute call today by clicking or tapping Contact Us or Book Now on our website. Or feel free to reach out to a care coordinator at 760-440 5005 or info@emotionfit.us. I look forward to working with you. Cheers.